Hi everyone, we have a question here from SCT Math August 2024. Whenever m and n are both integers, what is 5 times 10 power m times 8 times 10 power n expressed in scientific notations? Whenever you have brackets like this and there is nothing in between, that means they are in multiplication. This is times. So we need to write it in scientific notation. In scientific notation, what we have a number times 10 power something. Now this number is less than 10 only. Okay, it cannot be greater than 10. So basically it can be 9.2, but you cannot write a 92. Okay, it can be 5.2, but you cannot write a 52. Okay, so we have to keep this number less than 10. Now, this can be anything. It can even be a negative number. Negative number, positive number, anything basically. Whatever the power is. Back to the question. So, first we'll multiply 5 times 8. 5 times 8 we will do. And then we have times 10 power m, 10 power n. Okay, 5 times 8 is 40 times. Now here we have the bases same, powers can be added. So if you have a power n times a power m, that can be written as a power m plus n or n plus n. So it is 10 power m plus n. Now what did I say about the number at the beginning? This number, it has to be less than 10. So we'll write it as 4 times 10 times 10 power m plus n. Now 10 is same as 10 power 1. We can again combine these two. So it is 4 times 10 power m plus n plus 1. We'll add the powers. So it is B. Correct answer is option number B. Thank you everyone for having me. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.